Welcome back to the JMK Garage here today, guys. Today I'm filming the before video for the 2023 Broke to Built Bike Build Contest video. My plan was to build this 1982 Honda GL 500 into a complete custom bike for the contest. I got that in the fall for 200 bucks. Pretty solid start, but I just ran out of time, motivation, and fundings due to other projects like this one here, that one there, and I decided to build this 1988 Yamaha PW50 that I got last spring actually for my son. It's going to him for his 3rd birthday next January. Today's date is Sunday, March 12th. Anyways, here is the Broke to Built video contest. Bigger and better.
It's that time of year again, guys. Bike building season is upon us. You're gonna want to bust out the tools, yank that old project.
Here's the bike. I bought this for a few hundred bucks in that crate.
Bikes like I do, and you want to scratch that competitive itch.
Last April, and I was just on the lookout for a bike to build for my son. My daughters have a PW50 and a Honda XR50, and my son, the youngest, wants a bike too, more than anything else. So here it is. The bike is an absolute basket case and needs a lot of work. Forks are newer. There's a receipt in there. Tires are cheap old Chinese tires. Rims have been painted before. Oil tank, gas tank is hideous. It's been painted. The engine, it's been completely scored and tore apart and left there for who knows how many years. The case back there, been painted many times. Frame's been painted many times as well. Seems to be straight and not just repaired or cracked at all. The exhaust has been repaired. Zoom in there. And looks like shit, so I need to replace that. Plastics here are complete trash. Hard to see in the video, but they've been painted many times. Overall, this bike needs a lot of work, but it's very small and simple, so pulling this off in the next month and a half should not be an issue. First of all, we're going to put it together and see what's missing and make a parts list, which I've started to do already underneath these papers there. Get parts ordered that I need and strip it back down, sandblast, paint, powder coat, Cerakote, reassembly, and have it done in time for the end of April. On?
It don't turn on yet. Daddy needs to fix it.
Big wheelie, bud. Big wheelie.
Daddy?
He needs to fix it, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, your hands got dirty?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.